Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a complete TastyFX review for 2026. So first of all, TastyFX is the US Forex brand of IG's US operation. TastyFX LLC is basically registered with the CFTC and it is a member of the NFA. So it operates within the United States regulatory framework for retail Forex. Now, TastyFX focuses primarily on the Forex with across the access of the 85 plus currency pairs, including major, minor, exotic pairs. You can also trade Forex 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, subject to market hours and the platform that you use. Now, if we talk about the pricing and the account types, so TastyFX currently offers you three types of accounts. So you will get the standard account, the 0+ account, and the primary account. So the standard account has no commission with spreads starting from around 0.8 pips. 0+ offers spreads starting from the 0 pips, but it charges you $5 per lot per site. Prime is also designed for the larger accounts and it requires a 50,000 minimum deposit with spreads starting from 0.6 pips and no commission. You can also trade via the TastyFX platform, while supported accounts also have access to the platforms such as TradingView and the MetaTrader 5. Besides spreads or the commissions, you can also keep an eye on the overnight funding fees if you hold the position past 5 p.m. ET. Now, TastyFX also applies a 0.5 currency conversion charge when you are closing your position on the non-USD quote currency pairs. Overall, TastyFX is an interesting option for the US-based Forex traders, especially if you want regulated Forex access, multiple pricing models, and TradingView or MetaTrader 5 compatibility. However, you can also compare the actual spreads, the overnight costs, and the platform availability, and even the account requirements with other brokers before deciding or before choosing TastyFX. So that's my TastyFX review for 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.